Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Liberty Mutual Claim app setup for photos, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the App Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type Liberty Mutual Claims and press enter. Locate the app in the search results. Tap on the app icon to open the details page. Click on the install button to download the app. Once the download is complete, tap open to launch the app. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Read through any introductory information presented. Tap on Get Started to proceed. If you already have an account, select Login. Enter your email and password to access your account. If you do not have an account, tap on Create Account. Fill in the required information to set up your account. Once your account is created, you will be directed to the main dashboard. Find the option labeled File a Claim and tap on it. Follow the prompts to provide the necessary details about your claim. Once your claim is submitted, you will be given the option to upload photos. Tap on the Upload Photos button. Allow the app to access your device's camera and gallery. Choose whether to take new photos or select existing ones. If taking new photos, frame your shots according to the guidelines provided. Capture the photos and review them for quality. If satisfied, confirm the selection to upload the images. If you choose existing photos, navigate to the album containing your claim-related images. Select the photos you want to upload. Review your selections and confirm the upload. Wait for the app to process your uploaded photos. Once the upload is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. You can now return to the main dashboard to view the status of your claim. Make sure to check back for any updates regarding your claim. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.